What's up, everybody? It's Dom from Imperium, just releasing our brand new plugin for WordPress. It's called Final Form. It's got an awesome logo, and it's really more or less supposed to be marketer-centric. We wanted to make a form builder that made it easy for marketers to go ahead and show where their leads are coming from. Do you really know at the end of the day what keywords or what campaigns actually got a form fill? Is there beautiful data around it? Is it easy to access? That's what Final Form is about. But this first month is basically more or less bare bones. This is creating the form, having the form work, and having some of those basic features so that we can more or less start the development of Final Form. And of course, it's completely free. This version is completely free, so you can download it. Anybody can download it. Just go ahead and follow the link, sign up. We haven't put it inside of the WordPress distro at all, so you have to go ahead, go to the website, give me your email and your phone number and your social. No, I'm just kidding. All right, so the first page is pretty simple. Obviously, you're going to see the name of the forms, the short code so you can copy and paste it easily inside of any of your pages or blogs or anything like that. We have the submissions, the views, and a conversion rate, and when it was updated. So let's get down. Let's go ahead and show you guys what making a new form looks like. So right now we just have blank form. Eventually we're going to have templates and things like that. This is the first ideation, so give us some time. All right, now this is the builder here, and it's a drag and drop builder. It's incredibly easy. This isn't like more or less the free other things that are on the market like Contact Form 7. So this is already pretty advanced for a free form. So let's just say we want to put a text input in here. We want to have that as first name. We also want to have, let's just say, we can have placeholders here as well. So you can make it required, and now you'll see the placeholder. It's required, works totally fine. You can have the phone number here and email. We can even drag these on either side so we can have multiple columns as well. So email, we'll just capitalize that. Make this say phone number here. We'll make this required as well. Make sure didn't click save. And we will name this demo. Click save. Form is saved. We also have styles. Oops. So form saved successfully. We have the short code here. We'll use that in a second. Just copy that. Just want to show you guys these styles as well. This is still pretty basic, but pretty awesome at the same time. So this works 100%. We can do form width at 70% if you'd like to do that for some reason. Put that back to 100. Background color. Now, something else on the roadmap here that we've realized is these forms for a marketer is incredibly hard to color match. This is always messing with the CSS. It's never right. It's never just as easy as making a form. So that's in our roadmap here, is possibly getting more or less some type of AI that can track down what column this is going to be, what color the column is, what your brand color is as well, and create a form depending on all of those situations. So it just makes it easier for marketers to create forms and track the data. So we'll just say 17. Update the form here. Let's say we can view it anytime from our view button. Let's check that out now. So here's our demo. We can view it from here. We can also let's go ahead and do the real demo. We're going to take the short code and we will edit this page here. We will add, look at that logo, pretty awesome, working on it. All right, now let's view the page, and everything's here. The color is red. The font is the same pixel size as we wanted it to be. So let's go ahead and test it out here. Demo test at test.com, and we'll submit. So since we didn't put anywhere to redirect this, it's just going to go ahead and refresh the page and say form submitted successfully. Now if we look here in the back end here, we can go to entries, select the form, we're going to do demo, and here is our form information. Now we can change the columns depending on what we used. If we want to see something or we don't want to see something, we can do that. If we also want to export all this information into a CSV, we can do that right now. And obviously, in the next few versions, we're going to have options to have this integrate with your CRM. So this is everything that I typed in here. That's all the correct information. So that worked perfectly. And we have a entries page that works as well. So, all right, now that we have that, let's go into something a little bit more interesting. So now we have the settings here. We can change the form name. We can limit the number of entries as well. So if we're creating a form that's only supposed to have 20 entries, we can limit that to 20 for whatever use case you need that for. Here is the colors as well. You can change that anywhere. And the email settings. So now we can take first name, email, phone number, whatever field you create on here, you can put this inside of messages, inside of your subject and your message. So when people are coming into your form, you can get an email, or you can have somebody else get the email with all that important information inside of there. Now, on the roadmap, this will integrate with SiteKit or Google Analytics, and it will be able to show you exactly where this lead came from. So again, this isn't completely done yet, but that is the plan. Something so it's so easy that you can see what forms and what campaigns are actually working using a form. Now we have the confirmation settings. We had it on text mode there before. So the text went ahead and said, where was it? Form successfully submitted. Now, if you want it to redirect, you can have it redirect to another page and pass the user data. So any of that user data, the first name, last name, email, phone number, this will go inside of the URL, pass it on there so that you can use that user data along the road if you need to. That's the first final form demo. I'm extremely excited to see what you guys can do. There's going to be a form that you guys can go ahead and submit any of the issues inside of there. This is obviously free to use, but there is a EULA, so please don't try to steal it and make it your own. We already got the license agreement for that. And let's have fun, and thank you for sticking with me for this final form journey. I think it's going to be huge. I'm not always going to be in a suit. We have a meeting in a couple hours, so this is not normal. I'll probably just be in a t-shirt. But thank you.